Hello everybody and welcome back to Slaughter Food Creations. Paulie here. I'm going to show you my teriyaki style sauce that I like to make, and I'm going to do some shrimp to go with it. So let's go ahead and get started with our mixture for our sauce. I'm going to do the liquid ingredients first. So we've got some water. All the amounts will be in the description box below. We'll do a dash here of dark soy, like so. And we'll do some lime juice. Whoops. I'll get it. Freshly squeezed. Then we have some sriracha. Don't you like the sweet music I make with the chimes there? Alright, we've got sriracha in there. Now we've got some dry ingredients. We've got our brown sugar. Like so. And we've got ginger. We've got garlic powder and onion powder. Going like that. Let's get everything all mixed in together. And then we can get started here. Alright, while our pan is heating up, our skillet there, we're going to lightly season our shrimp. And I'll do the other side after I put them in. Alright, our skillet is good and hot, so what I'm going to do is put the shrimp in. We're going to do it for about a minute on each side, and then we'll start our sauce. So let's go ahead and get our shrimp in there. Season just lightly. So flip them over now. Alright, I went ahead and removed our shrimp so we can get our sauce started. So there you go. That's what they look like just after a minute on each side or so. Not 100% cooked all the way through just because we're going to add them back to our sauce here. So let's go ahead and get this started. We'll get this reducing. I've got it on about medium heat. Alright, you can see how we have it cooking here. You can see slight bubbling, boiling going on. If you have to reduce the heat, reduce it some, but you want to have some kind of a low boil going to reduce your sauce. So we'll continue getting this reduced down and watch it thicken up for us. So you want to stir every so often just because it's got sugar in there, so you don't want anything to start burning or anything for you. Alright, as it continues to reduce down our sauce here, what I'm going to tell you is that our ingredients that I use are in the drop down below the description box. Also, if you like this content, please like, subscribe to the channel, comment, let me know what you think about the videos and the recipes after you try them, and you'll be also ring the notification bell That will let you know when I upload new videos to the channel. But anyway, you see our sauce is starting to thicken up rather nicely. It's almost there. So we'll add some finishing touch here to it. Finishing touches. And we'll finish plating up and get ready to eat. But it'll just be a little bit longer. It's starting to thicken, you can see. When it's where we want it to be, it'll leave a nice streak there or on the back of your spoon. So it's getting there. Man, does that taste good. So it's coming together real quickly. So at the very end here, I'm going to add a pat of butter. That'll just finish it off. And I'm going to turn the heat off at this point. So we'll get that all mixed in.